Dear students, welcome back to the video lecture number 1 of module number 2, chapter number 2, metal finishing. As you know that metal finishing title, it is wide range of process carried out to modify the surface properties of the metal. These processes involve the deposition of a layer of another metal or polymer or conversion of the surface of metal atoms into the oxide film formation, which is ultimately modify the surface of the metal. The principle behind of metal finishing is used in electroplating process of metals or alloys or composites or manufacturing of electronic components like printed circuit boards, capacitors, contactors, etc. Now let us discuss what is the definition of metal finishing. It is a process of modifying surface properties of metal or article by coating with another metal or polymer or oxide film on its surface by the oxide film formation. Or metal finishing is the process of deposition of layer of one metal on the substrate surfaces like metal or plastic, or the process of conversion of a surface layer of atoms on metal into oxide film formation. Hence, metal finishing can be done by two ways. The one is electroplating of metals or alloys. The second one is electroless plating of metals or alloys. The main technological importance of metal finishing includes the first point is a decorative appearance of the article. Second one, to increase the corrosion resistance of the metal. Third one, to increase the thermal resistance of the metal or to increase the optical reflectivity. Then fifth one, to impart electrical and thermal properties like semiconduction or etc. Then sixth one, to impart the hardness and solderability of the metal. Then seventh one, to provide the electrical and thermal conducting surface properties. And last point is manufacturing of electrical and electronic components like contacts, PCB, printed circuit board, capacitors, etc. Then to impart the solderability or wear resistance. So these are some important technological importance of the metal finishing, why we need to perform the metal finishing process. So metal finishing can be done, as I told you, by two ways. One is electroplating, another one is electroless plating process. So let us discuss now first one, electroplating. As the term itself is involved, electroplating, electro means current, plating means coating on the substrates. Means the process is carried out with the support of electric current. Hence, electroplating process being electrolysis of amount of metal getting deposited and the amount of current passing through electrolytic cell are related to the laws of electrolysis, that is Faraday's laws. So here electroplating is nothing but what? It is the process of electrolytic deposition of a metal on the surface of another metal, polymer, alloy or conductor by the process of electrolysis is called electroplating process. Then what type of metals you can do the electroplating process? Electroplating can be done on the metals like zinc, chromium, nickel, tin, etc. Then electroplating of alloys can also be done. Alloys like brass, that is copper and zinc. Alloys like bronze, copper and tin. Then alloys like cobalt and nickel. So this is what about the introduction part of metal fencing. So in our next video lecture we will come to know the principle governing of the metal fencing processes. Thank you.